Happy Money Making Monday.
Happy Money Making Monday. Hello, guys.
Hey, everyone. Well, my name is Quintaria Brunson, and I am one half of the Money Making Mondays team. And I'm here with,
This is Mercedes Coates. Welcome, guys, if you're new, and to our returning baddies.
thank you.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, baddies. Welcome back, tribe. And again, greetings if you're new. We take 15 minutes just to like infuse your life with some dynamic financial information, with some strategies and concepts. And we encourage you because we know that this platform isn't going to solve all your questions or, like, and put everything to bed, but we do want it to give you kernels of information that will allow you to know I need to do more, I need to explore more, so you can reach out and connect with us, book a 15-minute consultation so that we can explore in depth. But for today we are digging into life insurance that pays you. I'm gonna do our quote, but it just felt good to say that. Say it, like, say it
Yes.
out loud, man. Life insurance.
Life insurance that pays you.
That felt good to just say. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Like, that felt good to just say.
Yeah.
So let's get into a quote, and then we're going
Okay.
to dig into some topics and some information that hopefully will be life changing. Because, like I said, even saying that just prompted some level of like, okay, I need to hear more about this, right?
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
today's quote is, I am the master of my fate and the captain of my destiny. And that's from Nelson Mandela.
Okay.
So let's see how being the master of our fate and the captain of our destiny looks like through life insurance that pays you. How does that work? What's this all about?
I love that. I love that you chose that quote because it goes right along with what we're discussing today about taking back control, right?
Mm,
When people think about life insurance, I think traditionally you think, okay, I'm passing on something to my family once
yeah.
it's gone, right?
Mhm.
Today, I want to kind of change how you think about life insurance because the industry has evolved so much. Since 2007, a new concept came out, Quintaria. In 2007, a new concept that came out that said, guess what? Now there is life insurance that pays you, meaning
Yeah.
you, the person that the coverage is on. You can use this while you're living today.
Yeah.
So I want to talk about this because it's something I've been shouting about for many years.
You have.
But guess what? 98% of people do not even know this exists and have not upgraded to this new type of insurance.
Yeah. So,
98%.
let's just call it what it is. So point one, like, get your pencils, your paper, take, like, relax your mind if you're driving so you can absorb this. But the first thing we want to start
Yeah.
with, or I think we need to start with, is the fact that 98% of people do not have this type of
They don't have it.
policy, and
Yep.
it's available. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Like,
Mm-hmm.
check your this ain't grandmama and them policies. This is
Mm-hmm.
like life insurance, did what it was supposed to do back in the day, but the industry saw greater ways that we could capitalize on this. And we've said on many a Money Making Monday, on many other conferences and events that we've held, like, we've got to make sure we understand all the opportunities and advantages that are out there and
Yeah.
apply them accordingly. So I just want to start with, if you are insured with life insurance or you do not have life insurance, you still need to have a conversation and have a policy review to make
Yeah.
sure that the policy that you have is insurance that pays you.
Yeah.
Period.
For
It,
sure.
and it's no additional cost. It's no reason for
Yeah.
you to be uninsured. That, like, it's no excuse for that. We've talked about solutions for that for a while, and I won't get into it on this Money Making Mondays, but it's no reason to be uninsured, and it's no reason to be improperly insured because you don't know whether you have insurance that pays you. So now that we know that there's
Mm-hmm.
insurance that pays you, and we need to tap in and make sure that we have it, Okay, let's go a little deeper into what does it mean, insurance that pays you? What does that look like? What does all can you break that down for us, Mercedes?
Yeah, for sure. So, I want to bring up a couple of features of what a policy that pays you looks like. But first, I'm going to tell you where you don't have it at. Jobs do not offer it. Okay, I'm
Come
gonna
on
just
now.
give you the off top. If
Womp
you
womp.
say, "Oh, I got it at my job," you don't, because employers do not offer this. This is something that is independent, something that you own outside of a job. Okay. The second place you won't find it at is at a car insurance company. If you say, "Oh, I got this through my car insurance," you don't. It is not offered through
Womp
car
womp.
insurance. Okay. And the last thing is the people who are offering these are independent financial brokers only. These are the only people that you can get these products from. Okay. So if you don't have from these three, chances are you don't have this. All right. But here's what we're
And
going to do.
again, it's real simple to check and
Yes,
verify. Period.
exactly.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the goal is to have to take back the control. So for me, it's about, I'm going to give you the pointers of what this looks like, but I want you guys to understand that taking back the control is super important. You want to build a legacy that will last no matter the ups and downs of your life, right? We're going to share with you these benefits that's going to help you save money instead of paying for each individual threat and having to go get policies from a Aflac or a car insurance company to bundle, or to get it from your job and to get something outside. We're going to show you how to consolidate those things and put it all together into one plan that's going to pay you for life. Okay.
Yeah.
So here's a couple pointers. First of all, life insurance that pays you includes if you get sick. If you get sick, this life insurance will pay you if you have a terminal illness, a critical illness, a chronic illness, Alzheimer's, a critical injury. Those four things right there are automatically included for free. Meaning, if you have a heart attack, stroke, cancer, if you're temporarily disabled or permanently disabled, if you have blindness, if you need an organ transplant, if you have cystic fibrosis or traumatic brain injury, if you get into a car accident, you can't walk or bathe yourself, you qualify for your life insurance to pay you.
So let's be clear. You said those four things. Those are huge categories that have a whole lot in it. Like,
yes,
I don't want to minimize that. Those four categories of coverage are huge. That
they are.
You just rattled off, like a whole lot of circumstances that one would want to have protection and coverage so that you can focus on getting better, or at least being comfortable with like the insurance that pays you.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, some of the biggest challenges, Quintaria, is that people are concerned about healthcare costs, right? They're concerned about how am I going to pay for long-term care. With these type of policies that pay you, there's no need for the long-term care because it will pay you. You just have to have the right plan.
Yeah.
That's the key. That's the key. People are also concerned with, if I'm building a business and I can't work because I'm sick or hurt, how do I continue my business? Well, you need life insurance that pays you, because it will pay you if you can't work because you're sick or injured, right? You also need to think about if you develop a cancer or some type of heart attack. A lot of times you have to minimize the work that you're doing, or you have to take chemo and treatment. Bills are still due. Your health insurance doesn't cover your household bills, your food, the food on the table, to keep that Beamer in the driveway, or that Mercedes in the
not
driveway.
The Beamer, honey. Right? Not to keep the Beamer.
You want to keep it in the drive. You want to keep that Tesla in the driveway. You need to have insurance that pays you, because guess what? You don't have to deplete
or it's in the driveway, but I can't plug it up because the electricity off. Like, no, that'll be even
they gonna repo that thing, because I've seen it happen to so many people, because medical bills is one of the leading causes of bankruptcy in America.
It is.
Okay. Medical bills can literally shatter your financial world.
Yeah.
And when you don't have to worry about the financial piece, it's easier to recover because your mind is focused on your recovery.
Yeah.
But when you're stressed out about finances, I've seen it over and over again. It's harder to recover, and sometimes you don't even see those people recover. they're
Yeah.
actually in a worse off situation. So to avoid this, we want to share with you this concept that, guys, you can get an upgrade based on what you're paying currently. You can upgrade it most times with no additional premium.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And it is included. It's not like it's an
Yeah.
additional cost or anything. So it behooves you to make sure that you take the time to see what type of coverage and
Yeah.
policy you have for yourself and for those that you love. Any other points that we should consider?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, so we just talked about just the health, the portion that pays you. But what about running out of money or needing extra money? Well, this policy also will pay you an income.
Come on now.
Okay. You like, what? Pay
Come on,
me an
not a
income? What do
check,
you mean?
Mercedes. Not a,
It
they
means
giving out
that
checks. Ah,
they giving out checks. Listen to me. I have several clients, including myself, have received many checks. Okay. Money that I can pull from. So you actually have access to a pot of money that is tax free that you can use throughout your lifetime. If you need money for emergencies, if you need money to go on vacation, if you want to take, actually, my client's getting ready to take her son to Japan. And I said, listen, your policy pays you, take them to Japan. She's going to use her policy to take them to Japan.
yeah.
If you,
This says options and freedom.
oh my gosh,
This
I'm
is
telling you.
screaming options and freedom.
Listen, people don't know this thing exists, and because it still is very new, there's so many testimonials, but they don't do any marketing on TV. So everything is word of mouth to find out about these concepts. And if you are in an affluent market, I always stress the importance of understanding how to leverage these financial tools to make it work better for you. Okay. So does it pay you? Absolutely. And I want to pick up one more pointer, guys, to give you. One of the other things that it also does, it will pay you an income for life. So this also is a built-in pension plan. Well, it will pay you a guaranteed income for life. Once you turn on this feature inside of the policy, you no longer contribute to it, but it will pay you up until the age of 120, which in an insurance world, they consider it maturity age. Okay. So you have that option to utilize this insurance that pays you three different ways, by, again, being able to access it in case of a health challenge, in case you need money for emergencies, or just to use the money in your lifetime for whatever you need it for, improvements on the house, college education, to purchase a new vehicle or property. And then the last thing is putting in place a plan that allows you to grow your money at a high interest rate and also pay you a guaranteed income for life. Okay. So you have the opportunity to do that with these policies that pay you. It's just important for you to, number one, do an evaluation of your current policies. We do 15-minute consultations to share with you, or to learn more about what your needs are and to see what we can potentially help you with. We put together strategies, and we want you guys to get into taking back control. That's what this all boils down to. We want to make sure that you take back that control that you're entitled to, right? You have the opportunity to do it. You just have to learn it the right way. Okay. So if any of these things are,
They tried to take me out, but I'm back, y'all.
and these things are super important. Listen, I just kept flowing. Listen,
I
I knew
know,
you
I'm
was coming
glad.
back. We ain't working. We
That's
ain't
our
worried about it.
partnership, honey. Right.
But just wrapped it up with the health feature, the access to income, and the guaranteed pension built in. To me, it's a no-brainer. It's no other reason to stick with the old boring life insurance that does not satisfy your current modern needs. This is something for the future that creates a legacy that will live well past you guys.
Thank you. And
So,
as we've seen on this episode of Money Making Mondays, life happens. So
like
you
that.
have to be in position for your power to go out on one computer and quickly hop in on another. So we want you
Absolutely.
all to win. Mercedes, thank you for this awesome information. book a consultation with us, and we'll see you next Money Making Monday.
Yep. All right, guys. See you next time.